next category, it would be exemplary healthcare equipment provider in COVID-19. I would like to call upon Dr. Ravi Gupta to present the award to S. Surya Narayanan, National Sales Manager, Strategic Key Accounts, All India, Mindray Medical India Private Limited. Over to you, sir.
Congratulations, the India Mindray Medical India Private Limited for providing medical equipments in these challenging situations. May I request Shri Surya Narayanan to talk about his initiative in these pandemic situations.
Yeah, very good evening, Dr. Ravi Gupta. Thank you very much for this award. I think I want to really thank the Elect Techno Medica and the entire jury for finding us deserving for this award. I think what else you need for an organization which is being recognized and appreciated for the efforts what they have extended during such a pandemic situation. I think on behalf of the entire Mindray senior leadership management and India team, I feel really honored to accept this award for exemplary healthcare equipment provider during COVID-19 pandemic. In fact, I just want to give you some facts which I also discussed in the morning. I think it has been a very difficult situation, but when our healthcare warriors are fighting the war in terms of making us safe, that it is our fundamental responsibility to ensure that we stand by the healthcare warriors in terms of supporting them in whatever way we could do it. Be it is going to be ventilators, patient monitors, point of care ultrasounds, anesthesia machines, or anything which is going to be life-saving, we were absolutely standing by next to them. I think I want to really congratulate some of the back-end team where we actually don't give focus. The operations team, the planning team, the logistics team, which actually work day in and day out. Even our equipments which are moving from Calcutta and which are supposed to be delivered to the southern part of the country. For example, the customers were given a Google tracker, which also takes the number of the truck, the driver and everything. And we ensured that we had sufficient drivers who can drive it safe. We don't overburden them. At the same time, take sufficient COVID precautions so that they are not infected, and they try to deliver all our equipments well on time so that we will be in a position to stand next to our healthcare warriors, helping them to combat COVID and help more patients and save more patients. I think that's the commitment what we actually decided, which was clearly driven by our management from our headquarters, which is in Shenzhen, China. Really stood up in terms of asking us for all the equipments, making the production on time, irrespective of spare parts going 3 times higher, logistics going 3 times higher, flights from the respective factory to India were actually 3 times because we had minimal flights. But all this pandemic situation, all this crisis, we were in a position to really come across and stood next to the customer in terms of ensuring that they are happy in terms of meeting their needs, and we actually wanted to go and help them, stood by and then helped in terms of saving patients. I really thank the eHealth and the Elect and the entire jury identifying that this particular organization has actually stood in these difficult times helping the healthcare warriors. That is really appreciable. I'm really proud to accept this award. Thank you very much, Dr. Ravi Gupta and the entire panel, the technology leaders, the gurus of healthcare who have been setting new guidelines and new benchmark in this industry. Thank you very much. And we are very happy that we have been a trusted healthcare partner to make this Bharat healthier. Thank you very much, Dr. Ravi Gupta and the entire team. Thank you.
Congratulations, Surya Narayanji. I think organizations like you who are the warriors in this situation and who have actually supported all the hospitals, all the healthcare workers by giving them the right equipments at the right time. So we are grateful to your organization and you and your team for these exemplary efforts. Congratulations and kudos.
Thank you, Dr. Ravi Gupta. Thank you very much.
Thank you.